Good morning. Last night the May Planner Society kit came in. It is what, June 4th, June 5th, June 4th. So here we go. It comes in, they ship it like the first day of June. So I'm not for sure why they don't call it the June kit since it's too late to do a planner for May, but that's fine. They call it the May kit. And oh, I love the colors already. Look at that. Gray with like a peach. I just have the basic kit, not the, there's editions where you can get washi tapes and stickers. I just have the main kit. I don't get the editions because this already includes stickers and washies. Okay, so first off, there are two bows and they have an elastic band attached. So that means it's probably like a pin holder. So you probably like, you know, stick this on the side so the pin will stick out. And then, ooh, this is cool. These are little stencils. I like that. And then a big notepad and a small Post-it notepad. Some washi tape with gold bows. Let's see, some more washi tape with gold bows. I really like the colors. Grays and golds. And then these are the little, I don't know, Today index stickers, tabs that you put at the top or the side of your pages. These are die cuts. I'm going to open these up real quick to see what the images are. So we have some die cuts, some plants, some cactuses. Oh, those are cool. Some more squares. I don't think I've had squares before. And then some index cards, inspiration cards, whatever you call them. Put that back in a minute. And then some paper clips, like bobby pin paper clips. Those are cool. And then these are probably the washi tape holders. But that's what that is. Because these are like hard plastic. And then, oh, this is cool. This is like a leather pocket. I need to pay more attention to Instagram because the owner does post sneak peeks and tells what stuff is for. So it's a leather wallet. I'm not for sure what it's for. I'm not a planner expert by all means. I'm sure someone's watching and knows exactly what it's for. So if you know what this little wallet's for, please comment down below. And this is probably the little stickers. I just put the little stickers in these nice envelopes. Yes, so the stickers will be just like the die cuts, like the image wise. That's cool. So yeah, the Planner Society does this kit every other month. This is like my 4th or 5th kit. I really like it. I'm not like a huge planner. I don't like make a new one every month, but I do love all the little accessories and I find other uses for them besides just a planner. And these are more stickers that you can write on. Oh, these are index. Okay, I get it. You can't see it but you punch them out. These are index tabs. So they usually give us the index tags already punched out. That's really cool that they're not punched out yet. And then let's see. These are probably pockets too. Some lace die cut pockets. Let me open it and see. I really like these colors. So yeah, these are die cut pockets. Oh my God, they're so pretty. That's the pocket right there. I really like these. So like I do have a planner, don't get me wrong. So I do incorporate this stuff in my daily planner. I just have a huge year planner that I like. And then I also incorporate this stuff in my journaling. If you watch, I have another channel where I do junk journals and I just use a lot of this stuff in my junk journals because it's just so pretty. And then this is like border stickers. And then more of the puffy stickers. I really like those. And then this is the pack of scrapbook paper. Let's see if I can cut it open without cutting it's always hard. Shrink wrap is the worst. All right. So they are two-sided with a different design on each side, and then I got 2 of each sheet. Oh, I really like this gray one. Look at that. And then, let's see, what else? Oh. If I can get them to unstick. All right, that's like a vellum type paper. Very pretty. And then I forget the name, like an acetate sheet of paper. Another acetate sheet of paper. A lace die cut sheet. And then 2 more of this pattern that I really, really like. So I don't know, there's a lot I could do with this. Very, very nice. So I think I pay like $39.99 for this kit. I'm not for sure. They have a website. I like it. I think it's a deal. A lot of this stuff by itself, like even at Michael's, would be expensive. So I definitely think it's well worth the value. And the owner like designs all this stuff herself. So it's unique product that you're not really going to get anywhere else, which I love. I love supporting local businesses, well, small businesses. She's kind of huge now, but you know what I mean. She's not like, oh, Michael's huge, but it's pretty cool. So, and she's an artist that designs this stuff. I think that's pretty cool. Let me put these back. So, there you go. This is the May Planner Society kit. Thanks for watching.